I'm Jenna Edwards, and today we're going to be making a photo collage wall hanging. I thought I'd give it a little twist and make it something you can hang in your locker. So what you're going to do is take ribbon, you can find it at any craft store. You're going to make it the length that you want it to be. And then you're going to take your first photo. I have pictures of my little sister because she's in high school. And you're going to take, what you're going to do, the picture so that you kind of leave room for the brad to go through, because we're going to use brads to secure. Unfortunately, the thumbtack doesn't make a big enough hole on the ribbon for the brad to go through, so you're going to then take a scissor and make a little hole in your ribbon. If you have a hole punch, that'll work as well. And then you're going to take a brad, which is just a little doohickey you can buy at any craft store. And you're going to poke it through the picture, and then you're going to poke it through the hole that you made with your scissor, and you're going to go like that with it. And that's the first picture. And then I made some smaller pictures because I wanted to make it kind of a layered type look. So again, you take your thumbtack and you poke a hole through the picture. See how it goes through? And then you take the scissor and you poke a hole through the ribbon. And then you kind of line it up. And again, you're just gonna use the brad to go all the way through. Fold it over. And then you can continue on down, and you can make it as long as you want to make it. You can make it as short as you want to make it. You can make it vertically like I've done here. You can also make it horizontally. You can make them for your school locker. We've made one here for a friend of ours' business. So it's just a really nice way to decorate the place and put some pictures on the wall. So there you go. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later.